This area changed a lot. Whew, almost broke my toe right there. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's more of a test day, I guess. I got the new GoPro 12 and I wanted to test out Hyperview. Most of my videos I shoot in SuperView, and I like it. I like what it looks like and everything, but this new GoPro has a thing called Hyperview, which is what you guys are seeing now. I don't know what it looks like. I only saw it on the preview when I was setting my camera up, so hopefully it looks good, and if I like it, I may start using this new setting for my videos. But anyways, enough talking. We're gonna go hit this trail so we can see what this all looks like. I'm over here on my Sur Ron. We got Liam on his Talaria. And I also wanted to give a big shout out to all of the people who already ordered the Volted gloves, and I got a Volted keychain. Check them out. It's a cool way to show support to the channel and helping me continue to do what I do. So big shout out to the people who already picked that up. Appreciate you. Here we are at Tampa Land, where we test out e-bikes and such. I mean, the Sur Ron is no match to this area. I think I like broke my own personal record on this track with the Sur Ron on in the summer. It's a little hard to ride around here because there's plenty of there's a lot of squirrels and stuff. There's one right there. Yeah, this track is super fun. Woo, that changed. That changed a whole lot. Oh man, yeah, that changed a whole lot. That was a lot of a smoother downhill. It's crazy what the rain does, man. You know, my channel, I get a lot of haters. Don't we all? But a lot of haters who think that these bikes do all the damage, and they couldn't be more wrong. If they only came out and see what water does, then they would think differently. But anyways, forget the haters. Let's enjoy this trail in SuperView. Hello, puppy.
He just went out of the way. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. See? You slow down. Everybody's happy. She was smiling. People worry about the wrong thing sometimes, I feel like, you know? Yeah, this area is changing a lot. This was never open like this. That's crazy. Interesting. Yeah, most people, look, you just move to the side, we move to the side. Hello, Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
See, they're very happy people, and within about 5 seconds, I am out of their way, out of their life. This area got blocked off. Wow, all these trees fell over. Oh man, look at that tree that fell over. Man, that's a new one that just fell. Holy cow. Oh. Damn. Wow, they're all falling. What the hell?
It's like a tree graveyard.
Why are they all falling?
Maybe the rain was too heavy back earlier this year.
Eroding it too much? That is wild. So, no more coming back here with bikes. I guess no more. But that's okay. Interesting to see how these places all change and what rain does. I mean, look at this. The ground got eroded over here so much that everything is falling. That is crazy. Alright, is this open? No, it's still kind of closed, huh? Yeah, this trail got demolished. Sucks. I think, well, that goes to prove that it doesn't really matter about bikes or no bikes or humans or whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Rain is the worst. It will literally shut a trail down, as it did over here. This area changed. Ooh. Yeah, this area changed a lot. Whew, almost broke my toe right there. Didn't see that. I almost hit the rock. That was gnarly. This last section is kind of fun. There's some jumps here, but I can't really take them yet. I'm not that skilled. Alright, let's see. Liam says he wants to jump these real quick. Nice. Yeah, guys, this is a cool little spot. I'm still scared, not gonna lie. Ever since breaking my shoulder, my collarbone, not my shoulder, my confidence is low. I mean, I ride and all that stuff, but jumps and stuff, I still gotta get the balls to practice one day fully. But he's loving these ones right here. That's cool. Yeah, one day for sure. That's pretty much it, guys. I appreciate you very, very much. Again, link in the description for Volted gloves, Volted merch. If you're interested in that and you want to show support, that would be appreciated. But that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.